after you go through the current situation, after you go through the capabilities that they need, and where you want to go in the portal is the power email. This is what we're talking about. And then next steps, which you just basically, out of your mouth, I just heard really great next steps. But between capabilities needed and next steps, I want you to insert these questions. Does that match what you need? Question mark. Then the next question is, did I miss anything? Question mark. Okay? I don't think it's applicable for this situation, but when I'm meeting with people and I'm asking those questions, like let's say I was meeting with David B., right? I would summarize everything. David would be like, yeah, that's spot on. I'd be like, David, does that match what you need? He'd be like, yeah. Hey, did I miss anything? Right? Because by the way, I might have missed something. Well, we actually want to go with a 3-year agreement. Outstanding, right? Has anything changed since we last spoke? That's the third one that you have to kind of feel if you want to put that in. I always ask that if it's a Teams meeting, a Zoom meeting, a face-to-face meeting, or a call, and we've last spoke. I am always here's how I'm doing those. Hey, Sky, man, super excited to be on this call. Hey, I've got some ideas based on our last conversation around the current situation, capabilities needed, next steps in terms of getting your company from 12 million to 20 million. Before I go through any of that, Sky, what's the most important thing that we need to accomplish during this call? No, that's pretty much it, right? You might say that. Or you might say, hey, I want to just skip ahead to the contract because I got a hard stop at 2. Absolutely, right? It allows you to orchestrate. Then I'm going to go through everything. I'm going to go, Sky, does that match what you need? Yeah. Cool. Did I miss anything? No, it looks pretty good. By the way, I'm welcoming them to be like, yeah, you missed something or it doesn't match. And then I'm going to go, has anything changed since we last spoke? That one's dynamite in a live conversation because they'll be like, yeah, our CIO left the company. Right? So he's not going to be needing to sign off on this. I'm interim CIO. Congratulations. No, it's not. I'm doing 2 jobs right now. It's terrible, which is why I need this thing to go smooth. Happy to help. Does it make sense for us to get everything moving forward? I'll do all the heavy lifting on my end so you can focus on working 2 jobs right now. Yeah, absolutely. Congratulations. Made a great decision. What happens next? I'm going to shoot you over a DocuSign. It just keeps everything real tight.